All right, so what we got here is a little bit of the Rodney sauce, which is featured in a different video, but it's like a vinegar sauce with some peppers and whatnot. We've kind of kicked it up. It's almost at a simmer. And now we're gonna add a whole whack of solid diabetes. And we're gonna stir this up until it kind of becomes smooth and fully dissolved. Okay, so I think we're nice and smooth and we have ourselves kind of a nice syrup ready to go for this old-fashioned cocktail. All right, so we're gonna try to assemble. We're gonna start with like a mixing glass, and we've got some bitters that we're gonna fire inside there. We have our brown sugar kind of barbecue sauce, vinegar sauce mix, and we're gonna put a 1/4 of an ounce, okay, inside there as well. And that stuff is super thick. Okay. We're going to use some of the Stampede Canadian Rye Whiskey. And we're going to go for 1.5 ounces. And now this other liqueur, I had to go hunting for it. I've never heard of it. But it is a Salumbo's Amaro. So Amaro is the name of the liquor. It smells like almost like a brandy almost. And we're gonna go 1/2 ounce with that guy. All right. Mix all that up, especially the syrup. And no straining or anything else with a finished glass. With an ice cube. And then to finish it up, I've got some orange peel that I stripped earlier. We're going to give it a squeeze and a little bit of twist just to release some of those oils right along the rim. And inside, we've got a couple of lemon peel strips as well. And again, I'm just going to give that a little bit of a squeeze, a little bit of a twist just to get some of the oils kind of going around the rim and inside as well. Now, I'm going to look this up again so I don't screw up the name, but this is Pee Dee Old Fashioned, named after Rodney Scott's hometown and some of the flavors that he kind of grew up with going around there. Wow, there's a mix of a whole lot of stuff going on there. You got the sweet and the spice from the vinegar sauce and the brown sugar mix syrup, the Amaro and the bitters like cinnamon and all those kind of good things going, and then the little bit of sweetness from the rye. Very good, very sophisticated drink. This would be a very slow sip. But yeah, no, this is delicious. Definitely a conversation piece. All right, Rodney Scott's World of Barbecue. We've done 2 recipes or 3 recipes out of this book right now, and none of them have been barbecue yet. We've had cake, sauce, and his take on an old fashioned. So description or the link to buy the book will be in the playlist description.